So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find and add friends on TikTok. So the first thing you need to do is you need to click on your profile by clicking this person icon on the bottom right corner. Then you're gonna click the person and the plus icon on the top left corner. And as you can see here, you have multiple options. First of all, you have this QR code option, which is basically just clicking on that. It's gonna generate your QR code, which your friends can scan in real life, or you can send them a link or a screenshot or something, and you can just follow each other on TikTok. The second option is by clicking on this invite friends. You can copy the link and send it to anybody anywhere, or you can just directly share your profile on Messenger, Instagram and other social media platforms. You can also find contacts by using your contacts in your phone, so basically your phone numbers. So you just need to click on that and continue, but right now I'm not gonna allow TikTok to use my contact because I don't want to use this option. Possibly the best option for you guys, or for most of the people, it's gonna be finding Facebook friends, because you already have many friends or all of your friends almost on Facebook, and you can just sync your Facebook friends with your TikTok friends. So this may be the first step you want to do if you have a new profile. Or you can just also search for a name. Preferably you need to know the username of the person. You're just gonna click on the profile. Okay, it's a fake profile, but I'm just gonna use it to show you. So you click on the profile and basically you need to click on follow, and you befriended those people. You can also just customize the person's name by clicking here and click on customize name and use a nickname which you are more familiar with. And you can also unfollow the person, obviously. Alright, so all in all, this is how to find and add friends on TikTok.